Hi everybody, this is Bhargav here again. Uh, I have started my plate cleansing phase and I just wanted to show the circuit and the setup to everybody now. I've made my setup a little more cooler with a amp meter, digital amp meter and a digital voltmeter set up to take down the readings. And I also got myself this funky fluke infrared thermometer to check out the temperature inside the cell. I'm following a few guidelines in the conditioning phase right now. The first one being the temperature of the cell has to be in between 32 to 40 degrees Celsius. And the second one is that the temperature of the steel plates should be up in about 70 degrees Celsius for ideal electroplating to take place. And the third guideline is that the electrolyte level has to be about 1 inch from the top of the plate. So here I am. It's about half an hour that my cell is running. I'm right now talking to you wearing a mask. It's very pungent out here and I really can't talk clearly without the mask. Let me just quickly go over to my operational parameters right now. The voltage the cell is consuming is about 190 volts. The current consumption is now at 3.5, 3.25, excuse me. I started off with about 4 amperes, but then the temperature of the cell began rising to about 45 degrees. Is it visible in the video? Yes, it is. You can see I'm just going to measure it at different points. Also of interest should be the electrolyte level question again. The electrolyte level as such on this part of the cell is a little higher than it is on this part. You can see that the bubbling action also is very different on this part of the cell compared to this part of the cell. Of interest also would be that the temperature here, where the electrolyte level is a little higher, closer to the top of the plates, is coming at about 50 degrees. And the temperature on this part of the cell, where the electrolyte level is about 1 inch from the top of the plate, is coming to be lower, about 10 degrees, at 40 degrees Celsius. You can also see that the acrylic that I have is not heated at all. It's running at about 5 degrees above the room temperature.